Eminem buys Bored Ape Yacht Club Ethereum NFT for $450K. The Grammy Award-winning rapper now owns an ape that looks a lot like Eminem.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you know how the Yacht Club works, right?
Yeah.
Randomly generated. This guy was holding it for Eminem like a while ago because it does look like him. Like in a way, right? Yeah, he has the cap on and he has the chain.
I mean, a cap and chain is all you need for Eminem.
Sure.
Okay.
And Eminem bought it. I guess they went through like a third party to help him secure the ape.
Yeah, look at the cost. 123.45 ETH.
That's nice. That
goes. It flows, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He has made it his profile picture now on Twitter. He appears to have collected at least 15 NFTs so far on OpenSea under the name Shady Holdings. Eminem is one of the best-selling musical artists of all time. I don't know if you knew that, Will.
I didn't know. 220
million records worldwide. I don't think he's bothered too much by the 123.45 ETH.
No.
That he had to spend for it. And then I guess this is the guy who sold it. He says, "I'm living in a simulation. Thank you, Eminem, for buying my ape and joining the club. Madness. Let me write a lyric in your next single." I don't know if that's going to happen.
Yeah, probably not.
Maybe,
I mean, congrats, you know.
Maybe Crypto.com can get Eminem for their next commercial now.
He's just rapping?
Now that he's on
top of Crypto.com Stadium?
Now that he's part of the club.
Yeah.
So that really says Eminem to you, that ape right there?
This ape looks the closest.
Oh, okay.
Based on other generated ones.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to see what other NFTs he bought.
Okay.
Really?
Not too pricey, these other NFTs. This new... why is his new ape not even there?
Yeah, I'm confused.
Anyway, he's got a Jay-Z NFT apparently. I mean, are we certain that this is his OpenSea account, this Shady Holdings thing?
That's what the site directed to.
All right, well, yeah. In the future, we're all apes. In the past, we're definitely all apes.
Oh, yeah.
In the future, we might be apes all over again. But we never stop being apes, I guess.
Can't stop, won't stop.
We're just bored apes now.
On a yacht.
In a club. For 123.45 ETH. Just do it responsibly, all right? Yeah. Whatever you're doing, do it responsibly. Get it together. Keep it together. Do the right thing.
Financial advice?
Not financial advice. Shout out Matt Damon. Do your thing, man.